Welcome to our post-game press conference. Kasama natin si Coach Renzi Baharis, first win as a PBA head coach. Coach, congratulations, and ano lang yung thoughts mo dun sa game? You scored 41 points in the third. Ano ba yung nangyari dun? Anong masabi mo dun?
Yes, no. Before anything else, I want to thank the Lord for giving my first win in the PBA. Then yun pa against my former coach, Coach Leo Austria, no. So now siguro yung ano lang, yung motivation lang namin, number one is going to this game is we outplayed for the last two games. Kumbaga blowout losses against Terra Firma and against Phoenix. Yun lang, yung challenge lang namin siguro, especially sa akin, challenge ko sa mga players is yung have some pride on their, number one, on their jobs, on this team, because this Titan team can beat anybody. So, ang game plan lang namin since San Miguel is coming from a championship conference last conference, siguro medyo nasa cloud 9 pa sila, no? Tsaka at the same time, medyo kumbaga baka hindi pa nila kami sineryoso. So yun nga, tinake advantage lang namin yung opportunity that San Miguel give us. So then eventually our player response, especially our best player si Jos Monson, that's our leader. So yun lang naman, kaya we want to win talaga on this game. So binigyan kami ng opportunity to win, so we just grab the opportunity.